Hi, welcome back. I'm down the plot today. I can't believe it's February already. Where has the time gone? It's a really nice sunny day. It's nice and warm in the greenhouse. A positively balmy day in the greenhouse, 23.9. It was chilly last night though, -2. Main job today, I put some household scraps in the compost bin. Just checked around the plot a bit. Last time I was here was Sunday. I had little Ruby with me and she helped me clean the pond out a little bit, and we planted some tomato seeds. That was good to get those done, and my main job today is more seed planting. So the tomato seeds we put in at the weekend were some beefsteak, Big Daddy, some tigerella. They've got sort of stripy bits. I did them last year, they were nice. Golden sunrise, they're quite a small yellowy tomato, they're nice. Money maker, most people have heard of that one. San Marzano, that is a plum tomato, and I've done them before and they're good. I also put some onion in, globe onion, Bedfordshire Champion. Now I've never grown onions from seed before, I've always done them from sets. Last year they weren't that successful, so a lot of people say growing from onions is more successful, so I'm giving that a go. I've still got some more tomatoes. I've got some red cherry that I could put in, and some Gardener's Delight. Greenhouse and outside is normal. I normally have quite a lot of tomato plants, but I also grow extra plants because we have a plant sale in May at the allotment here. Now these were out of my January seed boxes, so I'm still behind on those. For some reason I have 3 packets of leeks. I'm not sure why. I probably had some, forgot, ordered more, but I will be doing some leeks. I've got this year's are in the ground. I'm picking them and eating them now. The other thing is pea, Douce Provence. Not always had a lot of luck with peas, but giving it another go. I put some in a couple of weeks ago. Let's have a look. They're here. I put some in here on the 26th of January, and you can just see here one is just poking up, so they're now starting to germinate, so that's exciting. Put them back, so I'll do some more, so I've got succession, but I'll also put some directly into the ground, not today. Got some more. I've got some red onion, so I'm going to do those. I've got some banana shallots, do them. And then what was successful last year, peppers, sweet peppers and chilies. I'll be doing a lot of them in the greenhouse again. So I did these last year, Hungarian hot wax, and then these are new ones that I've got for this year that I want to try. So we've got, they're both sweet peppers, one's mixed, very sweet, brightly coloured fruits, and then snack bites, so they're smaller ones. And then I've not done this one before, it's a chili pepper cayennetta. So in my flower seed boxes, in my January one, I haven't done any flower seeds yet, apart from the sweet peas. But I've got some sweet pea Rob's Perfect Summer, sweet pea Mammoth mixed. And I have put some of those in, so I have done those. Let me show you them, because these are doing really well. These will soon need nipping out. In fact, I could start them now, but I'll wait till a couple others. These ones here I planted on the 16th of November, and I've got sweet pea Brook Hall, Mrs. Bolton, but I've got giant larkspur. Now they didn't germinate last year, but they're still in date, so I'll give them another go. phlox, they're quite pretty. I've got some Echinacea pallida, Sarah Raven, brilliant for the bees and butterflies, so that's why I'd like to do those. Amy May, just Antirrhinum Snap Happy mixed, they always grow well. That's a new pack, so I'm going to do those. Marigolds, I have a few packs of marigolds because I companion plant those, particularly with the tomato plants in the greenhouse and around the plot. And then Cosmos Sensation Mix, Cosmos Candy Stripe. So I've got 2 lots of those. These were free and these were from the Rose Press Garden. So yes, seeds everywhere. Obviously I'm not going to get them all done today, but I'll do a few today and just keep doing them throughout the month. The earlier you can do them, obviously the earlier things flower and it just spreads it out a bit. Having the greenhouse is great for that. So yeah, I better get on with it. Do some of the red onion seed sowing, and I'm just going to do them in this little seed tray. This compost is not the best. I could do with some seed sowing compost, so I think I'll get some, because I will have a lot of seeds, obviously not today, but I'll start off with these. They don't do very well then. I can soon start again. I've got plenty of seeds. This is just a general peat for anyone. We'll whisk it. There we go. And then there's the little black seeds, you can just see them there, and I'm just going to sprinkle them over here. We'll see how they go, because I can then thin them out. See how these go. If they don't germinate or they don't do very well, I'm not going to panic, because I can sow some directly into the ground from about April, I think it is. Let's just check. Yeah, outdoor sowings in April, so I'll see how these go. I can prick them out into individual pots or some of my modular pots, but we'll do that. And then what I'm actually doing with these here is I'm covering with vermiculite. Rather than the compost. Funny little, it's very light, it helps with drainage. And then these little ones come with their own little lid with a vent, so you can get some air into them. So they're almost like in a little mini greenhouse in the greenhouse. So again, I need to write down what I've just planted so I don't forget. So I'll get on with sowing the rest of the seeds. I've cut back a lot of the perennials that were here, so that's looking a bit tiny. The dahlias are tucked up in there under their little quilts. The pond is looking better since little Ruby cleared that at the weekend, but there's still some leaves in there, so I still need to have a good dig around in there and sort that out. I've just spotted something down here. Look at that gorgeous little flower. Look. How cute is that? I didn't plant that. So that's just a little wildflower that's popped up. Right, so I'm just going to put some of these directly into this little bed here rather than putting them in pots in the greenhouse. So here's the little seeds, and I'm just going to start this end, sprinkle them in, spreading them out a little bit as we go. A little trench. I don't know, it's sort of like an outer seedling. I don't know how good these are going to be, but these were, as I say, the ones I got from Gardener's World. So we'll just cover them over. And we'll just put a few in there. See how they go. I've got some tulips in here that I put a couple of years ago when I wasn't actually using this bed. And they're coming up again, but I'm going to have to put something over the top because we get little muntjac deers come into the allotments, and they're a bit partial to a tulip, so they chopped all the tops of there and some over there. So the ones that are coming up, I haven't put any more in. I didn't know deer liked tulips. I didn't know we had deer here, but they'll eat them otherwise, so I will have to cover them up. But I'll just put a little row of radishes, see if they come up. I'll be doing more later. I can just keep doing them successionally. Hi, so I'm going to head home now. It's getting a bit cooler. The greenhouse is now saying 12 degrees, so it's dropped quite a bit because the sun's going down, but it's still been really nice. Nice to get a bit of fresh air, see the birds. Got some seeds in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and hit that notification bell.